Hi, I'm Mark from Mark of the Cyberbeast. And this week, we're going to show you the installation and talk about these Molle racks from EVBase. So stay tuned. And welcome back. So this week, EVBase sent over another goodie, these Molle side panels, okay? Now, unfortunately, the right side got lost in shipping and they're sending a new one out, but this is the left panel. When you get these, they're actually gonna be a right and a left, and it'll note it on the box, and they are side sensitive. I took advantage and liberty of doing the first step. There's 3 pieces here that get put on with 2 screws on each. Gets put on real quick, a real easy thing to do. And then the only thing left you have to do is get it here on the rail system. Now, the great thing is about the Tesla Cybertruck is that you've got these connectors here. So you've got latches to hold things on and secure cargo or ATVs and things like that. So this really, you can put this anywhere you want. I'm probably going to put this, I'm not going to move this for now. I kind of like that right here. So I'm probably going to put this right here. And the only thing left really to do after you put these 6 screws on, right, is figure out where you want to go with it. And I think I want to put mine right here. So basically you put your nut right in there. You get your screw, and they give you the Allen wrench for it right here. And drop this in here. And go ahead and tighten that up. And it may take a minute or two for you to get that in there. What you could also do too, if you want, is actually just start it here like this. And then this way, all you have to do is drop it in the correct hole and then tighten it up. But you'll have to do that in all 3 of these, okay? And you don't want to go too tight in it. So what I'm going to do real quickly is to get these other 2 installed. Again, you just want to know where you're putting these first and foremost, and make sure you're putting them in the right way. So if you're doing the start off with this, remember you want to put the flat side up and start it in just a couple turns. Do not want to go too tight, otherwise you'll have a hard time getting it on. Now, these Molle panels, I'm going to tell you what you can use these for. But first, you're going to want to probably either go to your local hardware store or Amazon. You need to get some straps to hold your items in with this, right? So one of the things I like to use, they sell actually straps along with this. They're kind of elastic with ball ends on them. And you can use those, or what also I like to do, and the link will be down here below, is to use Velcro reusable straps. And those Velcro straps are real good to use because they're adjustable, right? And it'll allow you to put your tools on here very easily. So they're not floating around. You don't need a special toolbox or anything. You can simply tie them here to the rack. But basically you just put them right in there and you tighten all these up. Now right now I'm just going for an initial tighten. I'll go back and tighten them fully in just a minute. But that's how that goes in. And then, like I said, you get your tools and the Velcro straps, and you strap it around here and put it on in there. You can put a Sawzall, you put a rechargeable screw on there, but you'll have them on both sides. And don't forget, you also have your cargo divider as well. This also functions as a Molle rack. You can put things on here and strap into this as well. So your storage is pretty much infinite on this truck. So once you get the right side in here, I'll match it on up and you'll be all good to go. But this Cybertruck is a work truck. and I plan to utilize the Molle and the cargo divider bed to haul stuff out like I normally do. And what I've done before, and I've showed you in the past, is this came with a Foundation series. You'll have to get these separate if you didn't get Foundation. There's also another type that goes in here, and I showed you in a previous video. Always keep ratchet straps in your truck because you always want to secure everything in the bed. So I want you to go ahead and take a look at EVBase. Also, EVBase, you've got your bed liner in here as well. Another great investment from EVBase, but the Molle racks are all here ready for you to start using your work truck with. Thanks for coming by this week. Don't forget, hit like, comment, subscribe below, and we'll see you again next week at Mark of the Cyberbeast.